Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to reprocess your project in a new coordinate system. Let's say you did your survey, and after completing you realized you did it in the wrong coordinate system. There's no need to worry, it's actually pretty easy to do within FieldGenius for Android. So what I have done is I've opened up just the sample project, and I am going to need to back out of that to the project menu. And within my project menu here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the little info button under my project name. That's going to bring up all the information on my project, including the distance, angle, coordinate system, vertical system, and the project data. What I'm going to need to do, as I said, is I need to change my coordinate system. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the drop down here. You can see my only option right now is UTM 83-11, which is the default zone. And even though it's located where I'm at, I actually want to be in a completely different zone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the three bars to the right to bring up my system selector. And within my coordinate systems here, I'm just going to search for Canada. And let's say here that I wanted to use the 3TM 111-27 zone instead. So I'm going to select that one and click on Open Project. And now, since this is a sample project and I wanted to use my computer to show you to make this a little bit easier to follow along with, I don't actually have any observations within these points. But what would happen is all of my points' horizontal coordinates will have been reprocessed, allowing me to go from one coordinate system to the other. And if you need to go back, you can always just switch right on back. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you reprocess your observations. Do keep in mind it will not reprocess your points, just your observations inside of FieldGenius for Android. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.